back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great day and a great week. So yeah, anyways, today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart any of the Mircom FHS-240 alarms, FS-240 alarms, and the FH-240 alarms. So yeah, any alarms that look similar to like this one I have right here, it's like the same thing for all of them. So yeah, except for the 400 ones. So yeah. Anyways, let's do this. So anyways, first you take a screwdriver and then you just stick it through like that, and then you just like turn it and stuff. So yeah. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, I got it off. Alright, as you see, I got the mounting plate off. So yeah. Anyways, here's the alarm without the mounting plate. So yeah, next you go into the back of the alarm and take out these 4 screws. So yeah, that one, that one, that one, and that one. So yeah, anyways, let's start with this one. Oh, okay. Alright, we got this screw out. Now let's do more. Okay, now we need to do 3 more. Let's do that. We got that one. Well, it's sitting right there, so anyways, now we need to do 2 more. Oh, there we go. Sometimes you can also just do it with your hand, well, with your fingers. So yeah, if you just screw it out like a bit. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's not enough. So I can just pull it out with my fingers. Let's do more. Alright, there we go. We got all 4 screws out. So yeah, anyways, now you can just take it off. So yeah, anyways. This is the inside of my Mircom FS-240W. So yeah, as you see, well, here's the mounting plate, and we got like this part of the alarm, then we got the little cover thing. So yeah. As you see, here's the strobe, and here's where the horn would be if this was a horn strobe. So yeah. And well, anyways guys, that is the inside of my Mircom FS-240W. So yeah, and basically the insides is like probably like really similar to this if they were like any of the other ones. So yeah, like the FHS-240R, the FHS-240W, the FS-240R, and all those other ones. Well, it says all of them on the box. So yeah, so it's the same way if you take apart any of them, like these, all 6 of these. So yeah, it says on the box my FS-240W came in. So yeah. Well, anyways, guys, this is the inside of the Mircom FS-240W. So yeah. Well, anyways, guys, I think that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. So yeah. Anyways, guys, peace out. So bye.